I'm going to show how to perform the vendor clearing down payment with the transaction code and the FIORI app in SAP S/4HANA system. My name is Nuno Dias, and I've been working with SAP since 2001 with my main focus in finance. I work as an SAP contractor. In case you want to reach me out for projects, please find my LinkedIn ID in the description of this video. If you are now just listening to this channel, its name is SAP at a Glance, and the aim is to share SAP knowledge. Therefore, do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. My dear audience, I would like to make you a request to help this channel to reach the first 1,000 subscribers. At the moment, we have more than 10,000 views and less than 300 subscribers. Could you please help us to balance this scale by subscribing to this channel? Here we deliver high quality content. I use my free time to make these videos to share SAP knowledge for free. I think it is fair enough to ask you also to share SAP knowledge. How can you do that? Very simple. You just need to subscribe to this channel, share it within your network, and it's done. Let's reach to the first 1,000 subscribers. In the previous video, we have created the down payment. If you haven't seen the video yet, you can find the video in the description of this one. Now, we are going to perform the clearing of the vendor down payment. And now, without any further ado, let's start and let's go to the system. Now we are in the SAP GUI menu. If you work with the cloud version, public cloud, wait for the second part of the video. Now we are going to show for the ones that have the S/4HANA on-premise. Basically, how do we start? Accounting, financial accounting, accounts payable, document entry, and then we go for the F-54 transaction code clearing. Double click, we are there. Just getting the information here. We are going to accept the KA for document type. I'm going to put the currency, the tax reporting, which is a mandatory for my company code, my vendor, and then I'm going to find an invoice. So as you remember, first we create the down payment, then the vendor will provide the service or send us the goods and this invoice, and we need to create the invoice in the system. Either the invoice is coming from MM, either we create the invoice in FI itself. So I have created this invoice for us, for our exercise. Copy paste, going back, I'm going to put the invoice here. Done. I'm going now to click in process down payments. Here I will find all down payments that I have for this vendor. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to see this is 2000. Very simple. I'm going to choose the 2001 and then I'm going to simulate. When I do simulation, this whatever I have a line in blue, it means there is some fields that are mandatory to fill in to populate. So I'm going to double click that. I know that this is the field, okay? And I'm going to write here YouTube. And then I'm clicking here again to go for the previous screen. Everything is fine. No more blues. Life is good. I'm going to post the document. Document posted. And we have just finished our posting in the SAP GUI. Now, let's go for the FIORI app. Now we are in the FIORI Launchpad. If you don't know yet how to navigate in the FIORI Launchpad, you can find the link in the description of this video. If you struggle how to find FIORI apps in the SAP FIORI app library, you can also find the link in this video to know how to do that. So for us today, we are going to use this beautiful tile. You can see we can drag and drop, clear outgoing payment manually. So I'm going to click here and then the magic is going to happen. I'm going to choose, going to remove payments. I want to have down payments just to have something, and I'm going to put only my vendor 497. That's my guy. I'm going to click here, and then we have down payments. So this is the one that we have created an invoice as well, because if I go in here, if I'm going here now, I'm going to remove this. So we have 8,000, okay? This is the one that we are going to use for our, this one, that's the invoice. So let's go there. And then we are going to choose this one. So if you are enjoying this video as me doing for you, please make a like to us. I'm going to click here in this arrow, and then we go for the other screen where I have my down payment already populated. If you see here, I have my vendor or supplier, everything of the down payments that we want to post. And then I'll leave the date here, and then this is 8,000. Here, it is everything that is open item. I'm going to choose my 8,000. What I'm going to do, I'm going to click here, and then move the 8,000 for here, and then balance is 0. Life is good, so we are going to simulate. Okay, simulation done. I see here what is going to happen, what will be the magic, and I'm going to click in post. Now I know that this has been posted. So if I go now to this transaction code, I have here 8,000, 8,000. I'm going to run again, and then the 8,000s are gone because it is already resolved. Please write in your comments which way do you want to prefer to clear the down payment, either with the transaction code in SAP GUI, either with this FIORI app. Now you know how to perform a clearing vendor down payment with the FIORI app and the transaction code in SAP S/4HANA system. Thanks for watching this video. You can find the next video in the description of this one. Please do not forget, subscribe to this channel to receive new videos on a weekly basis. See you in the next video.